People who have high demands for product quality and precision like superior membrane switches. JRPanel has production lines for those good products. So what are the advantages of superior membrane switches compared to standard products? First of all, standard membrane switches are produced in standard workshop. Superior products are produced in a dust-free workshop. The silkscreen printing is done by senior technicians. What about color? Chromatic aberration of standard products is within 10%. When talking about superior products, it's within 5%. Moreover, JRPanel creates a variety of gradient color design. The products look pretty, and they are inherently anti-counterfeiting, because the designs aren't easy to imitate by other manufacturers. Assembly is another matter. Better workers take care of superior membrane switches compared to guys' standard products. For example, the standard product may have small flaws on its surface or display window, and the adhesive may be uneven. Superior products will never have these problems. In addition, our superior products use PET protective film. PE protective films are on standard membrane switches. PET protective film is thinner, more sticky, and more difficult to penetrate water. Therefore, PET films is suitable for high-quality products that work in harsh environments. If your product installs on medical equipment, there is a requirement of high quality. JRPanel recommends superior membrane switches to you. They are good for equipment. JRPanel has many years of experience in membrane switch design. Welcome to contact us and place an order.